Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with a ready backup destination, plug in an external drive, or confirm a network share. Once done, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Backup. Make sure you're in the File History area. Click Add a Drive if none is selected, and pick the target. You're initiating protection now. This is the first actionable step because file history needs a destination before it can run. If Windows asks for permissions, approve them so the service can write files. Once your drive is set, click More Options to control what gets backed up and when. You decide frequency, from 10 minutes to daily, and retention duration. You should remove temp or large media folders to save space. Use Exclude to keep them out. Make sure Documents, Desktop, Pictures appear in the backed up list, and add any missing folders manually. You can also run a manual backup now to test settings. This verifies that schedule, exclusions, and destination work together. To finish, run a manual backup and then restore a test file so you confirm everything works as expected. This proves both write and restore paths. If file history won't start, make sure the destination drive is formatted NTFS, has enough free space, and that the file history service is running. Should problems persist, check Event Viewer for errors, clear and re-add the drive, or reset file history settings. These steps resolve most stubborn issues and get you protected quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.